This lesson lets us use equivalent ratios to help us find missing values in a table. So to do that, I have two examples. Example 1, we have a vertical table, and if you look, I have two missing pieces. So to figure out this piece, let me see what's going on. So to get from here to here, I can see that it was multiplied by 2, and over here, I can also see from 3 to 6 is multiplied by 2. So now I want to figure out, well, how do I get from here to here? So similarly to our last entry, how do I get from 3 to 9? Well, to get from 3 to 9, I was multiplying by 3. So, great, 9 times 3 is 27. But what about this piece? This piece is the same idea, but I can go ahead and look at a different entry. Because I don't know how to get from here to here, I'm going to look at this side. Let me look here. How did I get from 9 to 45? Well, I multiplied by 5. So to get here, I need to multiply by 5 as well to keep it equivalent. 3 times 5 is 15, so I can see my equivalent ratio is 15 to 45. Let me just do a quick check to make sure that makes sense. If I look here, they're going up by 3 each time, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Cool. Here I can see they're going up by 9 each time, plus 9, plus 9, plus 9, plus 9. Also cool. How about example 2? Here I have a lot more missing pieces, and I also have, it's horizontal. So what could I do? Well, same thing here. This is kind of nice. I can see it's counting by 1s and counting by 5s, which makes it easy. So my guess is this one's going to be 30. This is going to be 4, 5, 6. But let's just go ahead and see if that's correct. To get from here to here, I'm going to look what's happening here to here. 5 to 20 was multiplied by 4, so I can go ahead and multiply by 4. Check it out, it's 4. All right, similarly, I can look from here to here is multiplied by 5. So I can go ahead and multiply by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Then here it's quite obvious. I'm counting by 1s and counting by 5s. But let's go ahead and use our equivalent ratio method to just check that that's actually true. I can't multiply to see what I'm getting, so I can also see. Well, let's go ahead and follow the pattern, 6 to 30, and I can just check if this now worked. Did I do the same thing? Times 6 times 6, is that true? Was 5 times 6 30? Was 1 times 6 6? Yes, it was. So I'm all balanced out, and my tables are complete.